Confidentiality is one of the elements of trust. Let us discuss how confidentiality is achieved using asymmetric key cryptography. Asymmetric key cryptography, which is also called as public key cryptography, uses a related key pair wherein one key is called as private key and another one is called as public key. So basically there are two keys. Any keys can be used for encryption, whether public or private. However, it is important to note that the opposite key should be used for decryption. Therefore, the elements of trust defines which key to be used. Let us discuss how to achieve confidentiality. If I wish to send a confidential message to you or a confidential document to you, then I must use your public key to encrypt the message. Once encrypted using your public key, the output of the encryption, which is called as ciphertext, is sent to you. And you must use your private key to decrypt the message. Since your public key is used for encryption, no one can decrypt it except you, as you possess your private key. One of the questions that people frequently ask related to confidentiality is, why use public key of the receiver? Why not public key of sender? If the sender uses his public key for encrypting a message to achieve confidentiality, the receiver cannot decrypt it as the receiver does not have access to the private key of the sender. Another question is, why use public key of the receiver? Why not private key of the sender? Because using private key also, I can encrypt the message and send it to you. If the message is encrypted using private key of the sender, then the message is to be decrypted using public key of the sender. We need to remember that the public key of the sender can be accessed by anyone, including the receiver. So, there cannot be any confidentiality of the message. Why use public key of the receiver? Why not private key of receiver for achieving confidentiality? Private key of receiver is not accessible to anyone except the receiver. So, encryption using private key of receiver is not possible. In India, the encryption certificates are used to achieve confidentiality in e-procurement portals to achieve the secrecy of bids.